We have one more problem on trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions. That is, if cos power 4a by cos square b plus sin power 4a by sin square b is equal to 1, then prove that sin power 4a plus sin power 4b is equal to 2 sin square a sin square b. Cos power 4b by cos square a plus sin power 4b by sin square a is equal to 1. This is the problem based on identity of the trigonometry or trigonometric identity. What is the trigonometric identity we use here? This is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this, 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. This is the first identity of the trigonometry. Okay, all of you. First identity of the trigonometry. This is the problem based on trigonometric identity. Okay, all of you. Then we have to solve this problem. This is, we have given cos power 4a by cos square b plus sin power 4a by sin square b is equal to 1. But what is 1? 1 is equal to sin square a cos square a plus sin square a. This is cos power 4a by cos square b plus sin power 4a by sin square b is equal to, this is sin square a plus cos square a. Okay, all of you. But you can take this cos square a into this side, this one into this side. Then what we will have? Cos power 4a by cos square b minus, this is cos square a is equal to sin square a minus sin power 4a by sin square b. Okay, all of you. So from this you can take common cos square a. From this you can take common sin square a. This is cos square a of, this is cos square a by cos square b minus 1 is equal to sin square a as common 1 minus sin square a by sin square b. Okay, all of you. So we can written as this is implies cos square a by cos square b. LCM, take cos square b as this is the denominator. We have cos square a minus cos square b and equal to, this is sin square a by sin square b. Sin square b of, this is sin square b minus sin square a. Okay, all of you. From this you can written as, this is cos square a by cos square b of, this is cos square a minus cos square b. So this one sin square a by sin square b, you can substitute sin square b as 1 minus cos square b. Sin square a as 1 minus cos square b. But we get, this is 1 minus cos square a. Then we get cos square a minus cos square b. Okay, all of you. So you can take this into this side and cos square a by cos square b of, this is cos square a minus cos square b minus sin square b sin square a by sin square b of cos square a minus cos square b is equal to 0. From these two terms you can take common cos square a minus cos square b. Cos square a minus cos square b of what? Cos square a by cos square b minus sin square a by sin square b is equal to 0. Okay, all of you. But this is equal to what? 0. Cos square A minus cos square B is equal to 0. Cos square A is equal to cos square B. Okay, all of you. Then this is equal to 0. By LCM, take LCM. Cos square B into sin square B as LCM. This is cos square A into sin square B minus sin square A into cos square B is equal to 0. This one is cancelled. From this one, here you write cos square B as 1 minus sin square B, sin square B as 1 minus cos square B, sin square A as 1 minus sin cos square A. We will get cos square A is equal to cos square B here also. So both the condition equal. Cos square A is equal to cos square B. Cos square A is equal to cos square B is the condition. From this condition we get the condition cos square A is equal to cos square B. From this we have sin square A is equal to sin square B also. Cos square A is equal to cos square B. Sin square A is equal to sin square B. Sin square A is equal to sin square B. Why? Because here sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Then you take first problem. What is the first problem? Here sin power 4a plus sin power 4b is equal to, you can write sin square a whole square plus sin square b whole square. Here a square plus b square is there, a minus b whole square plus 2ab, and a plus b whole square minus 2ab. These are the formulas, algebraic formulas. Here you can use this formula here, that what is sin square a minus sin square b whole square plus 2 into sin square a into sin square b. Okay, here sin square a is equal to sin square b, sin square a minus sin square b is equal to what? 0. But this value is 0. So what we will have? 2 into sin square a into sin square b is the RHS of the condition. So hence the proved the first problem. Okay, all of you. Hence we have the proved first problem. Go to second problem. What is the second problem? Cos power 4b by cos square a plus sin power 4b by sin square a is equal to 1. We want to prove. Here LHS. What is LHS? Cos power 4b by cos square a plus sin power 4b by sin square a. So this can be written as numerator cos square b whole square by cos square a plus sin square b whole square by sin square a. Okay, all of you. But what is cos square a? Cos square a is equal to cos square b is equal to cos square a. So cos square a whole square by cos square a plus what is sin square a? Sin square b. Sin square b is equal to sin square a. So this is sin square a whole square by sin square a. This one cancel. This one cancel. We have cos square a plus sin square a. Sin square a. This is the first trigonometric identity is equal to 1. This is RHS. Hence the conclusion of the problem. Okay, all of you. This is the problem solving.